to our tutorial on scheduling your bandwidth mining settings. With this system, you can set your device to mine at specific times and levels to optimize your mining efforts while not interrupting your regular use of your internet. If you're ever experiencing slow internet for personal use or you are bandwidth constrained, this is a great tool to help you get the most from your PKT Pal product. This makes it so you don't need to power your device off when you are in need of your full bandwidth line. First, click the Mining tab at the top of the screen. Scroll down until you see the bandwidth scheduling section. Simply select the time slots you wish to set a schedule for, and then select the level you wish to set. If there are any blank circles, your PKT Pal product will continue to mine at the last set mining level until it reaches a new command. You can delete the schedule by selecting it and clicking the X. It's that easy. That's all. Your schedule is now set and your PKT Pal product will start mining at the specified times and levels. Happy mining, and thank you for following this tutorial. Follow and subscribe to stay up to date. Make sure to connect with us on all our social channels, and we'll see you on the next video. If you have any questions, please contact Rowdy at PKTPal.com.